Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' sound like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. We posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. You do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work coming in, it touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Hello. Oh, okay. Okay, let's go. Keep it up. I mean, I didn't feel like wheeling no more, so my man took over. You know, he cutting up too. Let's go. Whoa, okay. This is your daily dose of subscribe to One Way Steppin'. You want to see more content like this? Or like this?
Hold on, step in, make it.
You gotta get that red back. Okay, Jordan. Let's go, Jordan. Let's go, Jordan. Let's go. Ah, Mindan, you had it. If you don't land this next combo, I'm taking your hat.
Outside.
Tell him, yo. If you don't land this next combo, I'm taking his hat. Alright, now combo. Okay. Let's go. Up. Up. There goes the hat. Give me that. Give me the hat. The hat is mine. the hat that he's wearing. He owes me it. I had agreement with the Steeezy viewers, if you didn't land the next combo, that this hat is now mine. It's my hat. Give me my hat back. You gotta land a combo and then you get it back. Yeah. Though. You already know, bro.
Your finger got in my eye.
What?
Your finger went in my eye.
My fault, bro. I didn't mean to do all that.
Still his camera time. That one nigga, I smoke was stepping in there. It's all fun, man.
No cap. So hard, my seat's turning. Very end. By the south, I think. You're shit, bro. I got you. Oh, my fault, my fault.
Put the mask on, baby. Put the mask on. Wait. DJ. Okay, bitches. I said put on your mask. Put on your mask.
Y'all heard it, right?
Yeah.
Excuse me.